Okay, I'm going to show you what I expect you to write on each problem on your paper that you will turn in. So here's number 8. It's one that has the answer at front, so I thought I'd do that one. And then it also has a fraction. So first step, I expect you to show the problem. Then you're actually going to draw your line. You're showing all your work. But before I do this one, I know that there's a 1 in front of that y. So if there's ever a variable by itself, you're going to put a 1 in front of it. So I'm just going to rewrite my problem and throw that y to the side. So now it looks like I have a normal fraction. So now I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do what you learned yesterday in your notes. I am going to circle the number with the variable. Did you see I also circled the sign in front of it? Since I have that number and it's at the end, I have to circle the sign with it. If it's a positive, it'd be positive. This is a negative 1/5. So now I've circled. Now I cover. What is the opposite of what I see? Well, I see a positive 16. The opposite of positive 16 is negative 16. What I do to one side, I do to the other. So what is 20 minus 16? You are correct. It is 4. Then I bring down my circle that I have not worked with. Now, remember, if it's in front of your variable and it's a fraction, we have to take its reciprocal, or we're going to flip it. Keep that negative up top. What I do to one side, I must do to the other side. That now cancels that out, because negative 1 times negative 5 is 8, positive 5, and 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So Mr. Y is happy. He is now by himself. He's a number 1y. So now I just need to multiply here. If I had a number on bottom, I could just stick that fraction in my calculator. So now I have negative 5 times 4 gives me a negative 20. Then you will put it in your maze. You'll put that answer in. You will hit enter. If your answer is correct, it will turn green. If it is not, it will turn red. So it could have just been, if you said positive 20, it's going to give you red. So be careful. Watch the signs. Once you finish all 10 and your maze is all green, you will bring your paper to me and then also your iPad and show me your maze. So then I know you have 100. If you do not finish it today, you will turn it in at the beginning of class on Friday.